But I believe she's learning in a hard way. Because this time around, even to smuggle her out is a problem. To smuggle Ogechi out of the country is a problem. Because every African country where Ogechi gara, enwere ndị Igbo nọ there. Enwere our followers jure ebe. So Ogechi is not safe in African country, even in European country. So how do you think that Ogechi is free? You that is Ogechi follower. You don't know what is going on. But I will tell you that your madam is gone. Like play, you go well, you go better, you go better. Now so you dey be, you go better, you go better, you go better, you go better. Do you know why you don't finish you? January, you don't finish. You go better, you go better. Now so when I go talk up, when I go kill Ogechi because una they kill am right from the one. So una want put them for grave. Those that thinking that they love Ogechi. Now they kill him. I never love him. Because if una love him, una go know say na married woman. Una go give him advice. They tell her the way she gonna behave. They tell her the way she gonna talk. Tell her the way she gonna dress as a married woman. But they don't do all these things. Now this Ogechi is a young girl of 22 years. Ogechi is the grandmother. If for someone they advise her, they tell her all these things, she's not gonna misbehave like this. Ogechi is the grandmother. And the long way Ogana, she only got 17, 18 years. Or she do the color alone the mama. Okay, talking about grandmother call. When a woman became a grandmother and still behaving like a child, what do you expect? A grandmother and behaving like a small pikin. Every time out to them. And this, what do you think that woman will end up? A fool at fault, for that matter, can never respect her own age, can never behave well, and teach the children how to live their life, how to live a good life. That is the work of the mother. Since their children, their father is not there with them, because you can born different men, children. Since their father is not there to train them, now you are the mother. Why can't you train them? Is it feeding them? Is the only thing you are giving them? You are giving them food. They will eat and sleep. Tomorrow they will shower and go to school. You think that is a good training? That is not where training ends. Those children, sometimes you think that they are not listening to what you are talking on social media. They will be listening to you. See the way you are sharing other fellow women nude. See the way you are shouting, share. See the way you are shaking your dating yash online. You come out online where millions of people are watching you. As a married woman that you know that you are Toto don't sour. Toto, when you get it don't sour. You gonna carry the same sour Toto. They come out, they showcase and they use that they do online. What did you think? Your children will behave when they grow like you. Did their mother behave like you when she was at your age? Where did you learn all this nonsense you are doing? Now you are calling Maryam with your sister. You and your sister will settle. Now she's your sister. Now you know say the Maryam is your sister. Now today, if they know say Maryam Justice is your sister, I want to understand which sister she be for you. Your father marry another wife, where Bonham. I've been at the same age to born two of them. I don't know. You have to come out, explain to us. Come Come out and explain to us what do you mean by your sister. You and their sister will settle. Not to understand which kind of sister. Is this sister, police sister, or cabinet sister, or court sister? I don't know which sister. I want to know. Actually, put the sister call. Or sister, as Igbo sister, called Igbo State, called Kosume, for 5 good years. Him and all your sister. Him and all your sister, I came with all your sister for 5 good years. Now sometimes you can't be church yourself because everybody I'm not forced to come to church. Not just come culture and I'm none again. Talk. Oh, Emerima. Anene. Get a camera and show your sister. To look at Gigi, your brother. Gigi, your brother. Emaro de Niwanya Shirig. Emaro de my darling sister Shirig. My sweet, beautiful darling sister Shirig. Asampete wanyu marama. Tomato juice wanyu odachi Shirig. Very, very sweet salad. Even salad Shirig with the chicken and the akaraka. Go to meat. Your sister want to serve you food as a person who enter Nigeria. If they run, see as they pursue you, they carry you for boot to that. Imagine they carry you for boot, they run, they come out. If you don't carry Facebook billionaire, carry the in a boot. What can do? But I was what position? What position that she had done? Because never believe na Ogatiri Ota. Pay attention. Pay a very good attention. The notorious criminal in Chicago never believe over her dead body. Ogatiri Ota. O believe na papaya with Trump. O believe na papaya with Obama. That's what she think. But Trump said their private jet within the army. Because only army general, it can't hold army general in Nigeria. Like that. So the general got control of Trump. He said their private jet for America. But when army general let him be in Nigeria. According to her, she said they want to kill him. So I was expecting her to call the general Ogechi. Came with a horse. Because he was a horse armor. We are speaking from what she said. Pay attention. You know what I mean? My mom, some people have been useless. I said, I'm a saga. And I'm a saga. Yeah, also, I'm a general. Do you know what is Army General in America? In my head, I'm Army General in America. Now, what for you? Now, I was expecting a man to call the Army General. Army General with power to call direct to President of America. Where I say, this is what my wife is going through. I need your help, sir. Within 24 hours, Trump sent their private jet with order from above. Order that people can never say no. To pick Army General wife and go to Chicago. No, Chief, Chief, why they laugh? I was laugh myself. Yeah, I won't hurt you. Don't laugh again. Now, Abi General, where is him? Because I was thinking by now, now here, but imagine I pass this on Nigeria. Now Abi General got one direct. They said they have private jet from Chicago. They have brought the Queen Pin. Happy to clear that boot now, Joe, border another country. A little getting game from African country. Up with the Bashaw. She cannot survive in any African country now. When you know the best word, can an African country to start afresh. In $80. Pay attention. Somebody that is eating $1 for years. Can you be about $1 about one? In African country. You can't get it as in African country. Of course, you will not. African hospital get your as a nurse. My son nurse in Ezoko. We are just talking though. They say that Ogechi will not true. A lay hospital no get accept as a nurse. Huh? Kedu onye ga-akọ bisi onye ati like this gabe ahụ nurse na hospital. Now, how are you going to get yourself the country to African country to kill her more? Because she can never survive there. She don't go succeed. How is she going to end the HIV? But why shall? And from me, why shall? Until I circulate on the internet. Because you don't like the other with her. Yes, sir. Because I'm not one Okoto. The African country, we got the Nigerian not there. And the way the African country, we got our struggle members. They got no try. They go pretend say they don't know Ogechi before. Carry them, go fuck them, video them, send them for us. So Ogechi put now. Now this is the time we want to know the power of Ugochukwu in America, the capacity of Ugochukwu in America. This is the time we want to know it. Can you see that the people were deceiving herself, not me and you? Whatever she brand that she get, she don't get them. Ugochukwu never even enter any, they never give Ugochukwu any rank. Ugochukwu can ordinary nonsense soldier, try to come on a believe. She never get mouth to offer a general. My about general and army. Do you know what is general? Come on, about general. Very general. Ndị a ndị ọga kwata. Ndị a na na president na Puerto. Now, JJ Adehema, Lala Adehema. And Eberima can never use her sense and take on her own. I'm not going to be able to you are the one holding yourself. Sleep overnight and decide what you want to do. Even that Ezugo that is following you, tell her say you want come. If they come, you want to go see somebody. Don't tell her where they go. Just go straight to Abuja and tell them that you want to see Maryam first. She just want to see you. Come and see your sister now. Come and see your sister. Body will. This worried. No together is useless. They are not comfortable anymore with you. Do you know how many followers I have lost? It lose go so many followers. Because I'm the Brian. The Brian now who go teach about now who go teach about the end of the day where he will on the house now let me follow this idiot. Now you don't want that is regretting it to join you for the first time. You don't want that is shame. You don't put everybody for shame. After that, you now on a shame. Can't put China on a shame. Peter no na America, Peter no na Malaysia, no na shame. Canada, London, no na shame. All your people, they believe that at least you can get contact for them when they come to Nigeria. They shame. See, they even better pass you. You know, you get anybody apart from Azu Zion. When they carry you, they fuck you after because of the nyash is in online. You show him nyash online. You should have nyash in the nyash in the mama put. Because you was so shower with your best job. That is why you should do useless. Look at you. Look at the Yash. Look at the Yash. Look at the Yash. Hey, nobody should message this phone. Look at what kid has Zion. A mother of 4 children. A mother of 4 children from this able. See a mother, a grandmother. See a grandmother, see a grandmother. Swah! Look at your grandmother. Look at. Yeah, we have to Zion on. Yeah, we have to Zion on. Oh, you see, come back, don't worry. If you don't want to here on Ottawa, because all the time you are para. About Ottawa, we spy autos. Spy autos. Okay, come back. I'm here. Come back. Because all who do Ottawa. Ochi da for hego gang. Ya for be efere de nonsense shit. You can auto. You can I got the one you carry para. Watch it again. Watch. Everybody wait. Watch. Just watch. Watch again. Pay attention. Watch. Or the million more look or Jarap, maybe Kayara. La Saturday, the game up La Sabisa Forest. A married woman. Na social media. Yeah, you can see the media. My hand run our room. Hand run our room auto. You media here. Can go to Pamu, we can adaptive. But here, you come a council Zion. Contact here. The clear. You put the council Zion. Roma council Zion. This is working here. Imagine. Now, tell me, if Ogechi married to your brother, you that is watching me here now, I just want you to answer me this question. If Ogechi got married to your senior brother or your junior brother, how will you feel when you come out online every day? You'll be seeing her misbehaving like this. Will you support her to get right done? Will you support her? I know those evil ones that supported her will not do that. Because they hate her. Now don't hate her, but Shehu said we never hate Ogechi for the first place. Maryam Shehu never hate Ogechi for the first place. Pay attention. Ogechi is the one that forced Maryam Shehu to hate her to this level. On now. Maryam Shehu, I want time for anybody. What about you? Why I want time? Mashira na kwako, ona na kwashire. Ona don't know where. She did her day. They do her things. She don't get time for anybody. What you must say there? Montana say, Maryam Shehu, you were in this picture, you were in this video. Oh, they want those things. So when you come along one, and they call the keep, and they keep anything saga material. Where you must say there? Don't you about you about Ogechi parallel about? So why people can hell them why you do that? Not the made. Ya wuru problem ha. Ya wuru nya ho ja ga begere grab asaga. Grab bari na social media. Because they ekwu ya na-ekwu, ana m ekwu ya na Maryam Shehu dị na mba. M na-ekwu ya were adịghị ama. Ịma na iso na ndị na-akparị this woman. Gbakwa mbọ. See ya sorry, gawara onwe gị on time. Adịghị ama. Abraham because here na make me go surrender and call this woman. More to give this woman a call. More people like sugar. More sugar. More to Obina. Tea a call. I wonder and this a man of approach. How boy and a fool. How you on behalf of you. And this, how many 2 or 3 times they will get a good result. Ebrima couldn't do that because she believed that I want a savior in Nigeria. And she never believed that Maryam Shehu with a such contact. In the here and now, on one. Now 1 year when they contact, can't get the we are in Nigeria till now. Jesus Christ. You do know that anyway, the system, all the whole system as a 1/3 in Nigeria. The worst thing you get me no wow. And etie can get all and I 1/3. Hey! Eh? And I 1/3. Take the man of kita. It's a rocket, but man of kita. You know, 1/3 criminal. Eh? Now, look at this. Just watch this. Watch this for this. Just watch. Watch this. I have only more 1 hour. Just watch. Hold on.
See any unjust and call it just. Never in this life. As this stand on what I repeated last year till today, that you are a kidnapper. You humiliated those children. Tell me anywhere, I will come and prove it. When I save this video, you kidnapped those children. I will say it.
Now, pay attention very well. Eberima said that Maryam Shehu kidnapped children from a Ebetele. Gere. Maybe Ebetele Jebahem. Or some children, maybe Jebahem. Tolo Foundation. Now, Maryam Shehu kidnapped those children. That she got evidence that anywhere Maryam Shehu children boy, that she will come there and bring the evidence out. Listen to me, Makanda na say, ono na one by one. See, I don't want to be arrogant now until they will get a minimum. If they catch a minimum, the way I will handle some people on this struggle, they know that I get bad mouth. Oh, I talk to you, if you go sleep, go die. This criminal, sinner, evidence in Akao. Do you know what is kidnapping in Nigeria? Kidnapping is a very serious case. Even if they're ever known now, it's a very serious case. It's a capital offense. Nke na-ele nwaanyị ibe gị na-ebi allegation na public. People na who's nwaanyị akịta as a kidnapper. People who's the woman nwaanyị ọjọọ nwaanyị asị na kidnap mmadụ tụfee akwa. Since 5 years ago, when people na agbara nwaanyị ọsọ na ahụ ya as a kidnapper because she never get justice. And they know how Nigeria. Now, if I go to Nigeria, Chineke mere better about Nigeria. Vuro to the guy better spy by Nigeria. It's the time for you to go and prove all those things to her that this is how she kidnapped the children. Very simple as ABCD. There's nothing like my sister. Because that's one year why was a kidnapper. No. Abuja, this is the kidnapping thing you did. This is what. Can you see it? Nothing like stop playing her sister. Today is the first and last I can hear people my sister. Don't call her your sister until you prove yourself innocent. Then we will know that we have saved your sister talk or what. But you don't know what you committed. You don't know what you did. To call somebody kidnap and need evidence. With 1.3 million followers. Even they put in here. I said you can have 10,000 followers. Opened. Manakina na 1.3 million followers. When you want such followers, ana who has only see them man. Ana who has already puere. So why you guys say you put you the hand there? You got to defend there. Get a man okuru moto. A man put. That's house. You are Nigeria make azu. Azu no in America. Azu no in America. Say simple in Nigeria. Oh azu. I can't do Nigeria. If you go to Nigeria, now they may pay their estate, and may pay hotel, and may pay different things. You know azu ke be azu. Madam azu. Azu mangala. Okay keke daga mangala daga fish or fresh fish. Or fish fresh or fresh fish keke daga. You got the boy in azu. I swear you got the men azu. Also, ndị kuje na-enwe azụ gbara agba enwe ndị kacha enwe azụ furu na Nigeria kana ndị kuje come and eat the fattest fish gịla agba ọsọ na emefusi ego na hotel azụ 60,000 ndị hotel na-echite azụ anyị na hotel ma na cheated ekpere maka nje gị sense stop ị na-akpa azụ na hotel a na-echite gị fụta ba ata azụ anyị 60,000 na hotel ịfụta oh, I can't believe it's only 20,000. Work extra 40. Stop it as I don't like 3 days. People don't move. Never for over. If I say I'm going to come when they were nurse. Every Julia got Chibolege, Julia got Chibolege. Julia give you the one of touch. I will bring a photo, little large hour. Papa. Oh, you know, Momo, call you. Julia, darling. Julia, I was going to Julia, my darling. I don't want to say Julia can't want that to woman. I'm not talking about commission with the market. It be too much. Stop being the proposal will too much. It will be too much. The PJ fashion of paper. It's for Sharon. It's for the bleacher. It's for the bleacher. It's for the bleacher. It's for the bleacher. Oh, why I was enemy. I come on to watch that. I got a bagamu. The believer surrender over. Get the Zubazo. Happy that bagare. So we do with that. I thought they were permanent citizens of Nigeria. Because if you're in Nigeria, it got them more dangerous. You can kidnap them, man. You can zosh. You can have so many people. You can have war. You can mention. You can have positive people. So, okay, America, yan ropa. Buku. I talk in Nigeria. I talk. You can sue me. You can sue me. You're not Jacob, but I can say you can sue me. I talk. No. Back to say that. Go back to Chicago. Go back. If you who's the also, I know that choking. I know that choking. Lower. Go back, idiot.
Countless times. You are a mother. You a woman. Tell me why I called you those mothers, and I will explain it. And I don't know whether you want me to repeat. How do you want me to repeat it? I'm crown national, but yeah, I bring my crown. You see my crown? I'm sitting on my throne, telling you that he kidnapped those children and humiliated them.
Oh my goodness!
Take me to court.
Emma. Is it? Take you to where? Court. What do or someone who could? Emma, is he take you to where? To court, Abby? Child. When you never got to do come, got to keep my son. Take you to court. Now, the woman named her job. Man, I will a bad person. I don't know how much you because everyone wants to make that day, the first day, I wasting without taking a camera. If for such she be bad person, that first day, you can get wasting. Probably one allegation. I say, man, when I job it like that, it wasting. She have the power to waste you. When they go to case. That first day, if she want to, she tell those people, say, where's her? Come and take 100 million naira or 50 million naira. Case get close. That's the end of you. The man in the Indian today by the grace of God. You are living today is by the grace of God. If that day, anything happened that day, you get fuck up or phone you may have a drug. The police have a dog, a baggage jaja. But you say what's somewhere. Now, each challenge a woman, see her, they take you to court. You don't you know that if a man and refuse to take you to court, which means he put away up. If a woman here, I block her on my phone, block her on my Facebook, may avoid. Makaya will make it one day. Now she want to tell the word that here he barrier. Oh, I heard you. Now, the other person that kidnapper, we have before, the other end up, I don't hear what I said there, and the open I carry the butcher. Now, does it again have a message? Could you check his own? Could you make peace in our also? In our gunning bass and not rush. You get passport to away lower. Now, I'm a robbery. You see him? You see that man? I could go on looking one. I talk at the whole world of Marathon in one any level, don't want looking one. You see him?
Upon the internet. When this evil woman, she is pure evil. I would describe who she is. This woman is a pure. Please share this thing to Nigerian community, to Igbo community, to everybody that's listening to this pathological liar. She's an epidemic of a network of liars. You feel me? This woman is a threat to Nigerians. She's a threat to Igbo. She's a threat to everything that we are trying to fix. She's a threat to everything that. One time I'm blocking all of you today. You know? You see this woman? She's our problem. You see this woman? You see this woman? No, let me come today because I know when they you know just a recharge card is all will come here. All these recharge card beggars. All these recharge card beggars. My manager will pay you 20. My manager, if you see, go to her comment. I will pay. She is buying them with cheap recharge card and cheap card. This this woman, she came online to destroy our youth with her cheap and cheapest money. See this woman? I will point my reasons, okay? One time, like I said, today is a blocking day. See this woman? She's a threat to Nigeria. She's a threat to Igbo.
Now, pay attention. Our justice must prevail. You are welcome. Pay attention. Pay very good attention. Now, people are saying here on Akorako. On Akorako, or every Nigerian government, now you are a threat to them. Now, when this woman will threat to them. Or one Akorako the here. And then, man, they are not poor. And they poor. Eh? And they poor. Even with evidence. The barristers, all the son, all IG of Nigeria police, all this video. They are interested of the case. Ogechi with a Nigerian problem, an Igbo problem. It's a very serious case. Oh, yeah, okay, a case, mammy, Nyamakara, Mamba. That whole case, my Karamba. That was one case. And the Marashawa is not the only person. And with more than 99 on 100 petition, Ogechi Njaka. Even Kichibebe that claiming that she never submitted her petition, her own is there. But she don't want anybody to know. Kichibebe petition is already in Abuja, waiting for Ogechi to be catched. If you caught Ogechi today, you will see Kichibebe petition in Abuja. Don't play with me. I know what I'm talking. She already written her own down, waiting for the pain to capture. So many petitions, everywhere. So that is why the IG didn't interested in the case. She was thinking that Mike Ezekome, the son in Abuja, will be her savior. She don't know that Mike Ezekome is a barrister to Manashewo's husband, Olo Yeko. And Mike Ezekome is the strongest man as a barrister, as a son in Abuja currently now. So if you don't have such man for your case, you are finished. And the man is say, go and make peace with your people. Because your mouth is bad. What you say is bad. I cannot discuss anything about this matter. The only thing I can say, go and find a way to make peace with your sister. Period. Don't bother my life because of this issue anymore. When you got this information, you feel that the world is end. And the world is end true. That is why they gave you another plan to look for where to go to embassy to get another passport. You don't know that immediately you call embassy about passport, they call Manashewo's husband immediately. Interpol call Manashewo's husband that the embassy of America called them that you say that they rob you in Nigeria. You don't know that Manashewo's husband get intel for American embassy too. That is why you cannot go there for the interview they book for you. You run away. Now, they now know that you're a criminal. You deceive them that they steal your passport. They rob you, but nobody rob you. You have a case, criminal case. Now, American embassy, I don't think that they can help you. Because now they are seeing you as a criminal. Remember what happened to Jen's husband? Jen's husband go to American embassy and tell them that he don't have any wife. He only have children. Now Jen now go back and tell them that he's my husband, will never divorce. What the American embassy did, the blacklist Jen husband, that he lied to them. America hates when you lie for the first time. The blacklist Jen husband that he can never enter America, whether by plane, by road, or by jumping from fence, or by anywhere, can never expel America until he die. That is why they make plan with the fortunate to call you to come and bring Jen out from the family. Since she just destroyed the marriage, the American plan. And you came out as a stupid woman here and start ranting and blackmail a young lady that got married new. You tell everybody that you slept with our man named by Musa. Destroy that lady home up to 12. This is 8 good years. Jen is a single mother. There's no problem for the family. You are the one that destroyed everything. And you think that those players, Jen and the children is playing against you, will not work. It's working. And this is the prayer. You see it? You see that your life now is not complete. Wahala everywhere. Wahala everywhere. Mr. B side, wahala. Mfada Baka side, wahala. Birabe side, wahala. Jen side, wahala. Chimari side, wahala. Let's say capital oil, wahala, because the worst thing about the way you know young one would ashi. The worst thing about the way no young one look at the ashi. The spirit can never allow you to rest. Why you not say that at that time or then do not on our walking? Ya will look at him on our walking. Now God will punish that person generation. You go see the how they go leave you for road to run. Both all of them, they will leave you run because they will see say it don't become too much problem to them. They will leave you run. You're gonna cry on your own. Why all these things? Nigeria will turn you to Egypt very soon. You will see them.
This woman is fake, pure fake. This woman do not like peace. She do not like anything that will favor you. This one is a pure, complete evil. I'm saying it, I didn't miss word. In school, where did you get spam and happy bug about brain? You sound so empty. Spam have put the right place to enter your brain, be occupied. That is why you see that your body can generate the subs, everything for you, but the output they disappoint Googie. I check it, Jahio, Pokana, shake off from my spam will remain in you, but I'm trying to get the thing escape and went to your brain. You see why you can never learn? Because all we are the magic. I'm one of the
now pay attention. Please share this video. I don't know why people are so stingy to share common video. Oh, do not say preach gospel, but you don't want to share the video. How can I preach gospel without sharing video? You only you want to listen. You don't know that this is going all over the Igbo land. Ogechi case is going all over the Igbo land. People are interested of Ogechi case to know what will happen. Can you hear me then? That's why I try to refresh people's memory. Especially down now when you look at them. Look at that one, look at the wicked. If I begin to mention you that you can a picture of Zion, all of them are very useless. maka eyi akwa ndị born again maka ịma akịsị ndị born again dịka omecha nọcha ndị agadi nwaanyị nọcha nsị nwechara chọọchị ndị eze nwaanyị ọlọdụ nụcha eze nwaanyị cha ndị agadi ekpe nka nọchara na ma windo na-emebiri windo. Look at them 77 of them nọ na my window. Imagine mmadụ 77 nọ na window. How do you think that the window can survive? The window will not survive. I want to see what they want to come with the window now. I'm very manual. I'm not a mazu window na this struggle. Now pay attention. Akibara here about alamajiri na Hausa. Alamajiri dị ka nwa boye Alhaji. Alamajiri ndị a na-apụgharị na-ayọ iri. Chebe ọtụtụ ha bịara ihu ya dị onye Alhaji ji ego. Ebe ha na-akpọ punu, a na-enye ha punu nyekwa ha nri, tiri ha na waifere ha ji aga. Ha richa ha apụwa. That's why you say ọnwụ gburu Alhaji. Kpata Alamajiri aka. Ọ dị ka ebe a kpọrọ pọmpụ. Ogechi mepere n'ule somebody's husband na-akpọ ya Alamajiri. And the hospital na Maryam kpọrọ translator dị na translate something to the husband and translate that is the man anọghị ara agba the man onye nwa ahụ odogwu ka na-akpọ Alamajiri. Odogwu ihe nwa a na-akpọ odogwu. Onye agbaghị level Obasanjo ha, level Papa Davido ha, level ha, dantata level onye agbaghị akwụkwọ obere mmadụ. Ọ makara ọlụ mana nche onye kụrụ ji ahụ ya azụ obere mmadụ. Ya sị na ịma ndị Igbo anyị adịghị ama onye nwoke ozu. Onye adịghị ama onye nwoke ozu. Onye agba na onye nwoke ozu. Onye nnukwu mmadụ ka ọwụ. All level ha ndị billionaire. Ịkpọghị billionaire Alamajiri. Hi, as the man, they transferred this video to that man. I about the man. The man said, "Yeah, was Alamajiri." Hey, now even now, John, I say, "Can you hear? Do you actually make call here?" Oh, John, I say, "Can you hear? Do you actually make call here?" Asam. No, yeah, I did a human being. No, that one, yeah, is not a human being. The only way I get him only I possibly on the mail to give her a room to rest, so that she will be there and receive sense by herself. That is what the man tried to do. The man had come out to I'm not getting one a mental problem. So Ogechi used Abuja to cure Ogechi mental problem. Because if we don't want to Abuja watch a video Ogechi there, maybe I shall not do Mirabel. Now I won't get as you see the mouth. Come back the truth. The chance the woman is not normal. But a gaba the shadow on your my shabby about goes or a becker wagata here. A table the shadow yama. Ya shabby about a quarake one gata here. Okay, I'm going to say that, but I'm trying to give you a bunch about that at this Bosuya.
That's why your problem is so complicated.
Hey, Mama Leapa. Hey, why is it para far? That's your mother you left. Okay, you lie. But I shall know my Mia Austin. Onu watch that 2-3 years ago. Onu can say my share for a party no longer. Onu watch that 2-3 years ago. But I shall know my Mia is Lord sharp. Okay, Libo Kadema. Okay, I'm not quite there more than them in Libo now. Oga gara Igbo ya mee that thing mee party enwere party ọ kpọrọ onye one man o nyere everything n'aka so mana shehu jugodoke na family o mezuru ụlọ ha emezi anyị agwụchi na video ka onye ji na video sendịra m ya ebe ahụ o mere party ọ gwọrọ nkụrụ ya ọsọ bịa ya na ọ hazie ihe ya ba moto fụwa Chineke God Ogechi aka ike ga-ejuru eju
ikpu ya agọ mmiri ụmụaka eji nne gị mere samba village ya bụ mkpụ ka ị hapụrụ hapụ nne gị ndị ga-eje mepere nne ha market na nta imo adịzinọgụ ebe chi nne gị na mahụhụ somankwụ. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Harry ikpu onye ka ya mata ikpu 77 pin ya oge overnight. Achọchi ikpu kama ya ta because ikpu 77 pin ichefu na mgbe ị ga-asị taa ga-etinye n'ikpu. We want to see the landmark of your Igbo. Can release him as a man because only Igbo can release him. Igbo can cause it back there because anywhere you enter, you can use your Igbo and break the door. We need your Igbo now. All the urgent as it sits now. Let's continue. Timo. So, okay, that means all will get pay all the 77 pin. Oh, baby, because all Ramo must be condemned. Maybe I have put their own one. Because I went coronavirus. And when coronavirus keep Abuja, Kaimo Abuja. Anybody that goes into that will survive for ya.
Oh, wow.
That means what no get can na me na chana. That means
Chineke me. Everybody knows make heaven. Everybody if you make heaven, everybody will make heaven, I swear to God. Everybody say, the other time Ibu Abuja war. If I want to die, but I'm not able to do I put for everybody confused Hebrew there. I be also COVID Hebrew there. I be also Hebrew there. I'm not Hebrew there, but more than the worst part. I put it on there now. Also, my home will be a papier like I want. Mbo ex-policeman. Papier, but ex-police, I professor. Timothy. That useless idiot. They want to shot one could tell it. Timothy was very. My home has a kind of vocal down. I vote him many times. Vocal, picture I mean, vocal, go and kill this woman. Very dumb man. The man is too dull. Very dull. Timothy is too dull. That's why Ogechi useless. What does she walk and cap it? No, make it and then enjoyment in America. Yala Trump yetro. Timothy na Trump yetro. Trump Timothy. Trump Timothy but on your share. But look at the way they do your woofo. Eliana one corner there, share cap woofo. We are Abuja. Hey, now this is the Okeke. I don't get me before here because he will one low was all up the more bad. Or they might be in now a before shower no because I don't got him. You talk like an imbecile. You don't reason before you talk. Look at the way all guys now making now. You got a Nigerian full-time citizen, not like American citizen. Not like the Mercedes 2025 model. No. Because I'm not buying a fully 2025 model now. Hey, baby. Let's see, bridge a motor. If I'm going to bridge a kaka motor, akwanga agbagara bicha na bagwe mana na ma ke bricha ahụ ma ka enwe ka ruru ya aka na esi ya adị shara kwesịrị na-enyere ya aka na adị sere gị ego azụ na ịgba Sharon nwere obi si abịara dị strọgụ Sharon ama how many people na dị strọgụ ọ na-enyere aka that is onye ọnwụla chere Sharon echiche ọjọọ na dị strọgụ ga-anwụ ike the hospital ọ nara agwa m ọkwa ndị ọha na-emere na abịa agwa m ya ọ naghị agwa m ya Sharon the only person who as long as this song is concerned she don't touch so many people life. Many people got lots in that Sharon. That is why you know what I tell you, your job here can never survive it. Sharon, no matter how they are about to open now, Okeke didn't send the because they go up and keep Bazwa. They go up and keep Bazwa. You can see another gas. You can see me got many boss that Shasha Bukoya and the Choka Yola know here because people can know him now go. And then I question I see Abu Paramo or see Abam Abba Saga. We are sure all the abo. So people can even can feel down there. People can feel down there. No, may I buko, may I come on here one. No, I have an answer. Shall I for 1 year? Every day, video that house, every day, for one full 1 year without an amadazo. So stop it after a public about now. Swallow your nonsense, use the pride. It is too poor. And a poor woman. I said that a poor woman, she got more. Come on, accept it is poor. A poor woman, it is too poor. The thing written over your body. I said, below here, be humble. Contact people. Those people that you think that you fight them, contact them and say, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Or tell them Sharon was giving you money. I'm on your own. Be mad too much. Forget on the we walk. Oh, will be mad. She will give you money every day. You know, nobody go hear them. But take it down on the Joanne. Man, I hear everything now in Gaza. When in America for 38 years. On that 2 weeks in Nigeria, get our name Gaza. It's a shameful thing. It's all the two shame. Are you not ashamed of this one? Hey, you're a disgrace. To more in the book. Because sometimes even again, the message of the Nasa Sonia. Why you in danger? Okay, just why. So what's under America shut down for those that America, $50 million can't get you, but I can't law. But to get American visa now with every process, you check about $30 million. King Sheba and Lord America law now by a gazo. Swat! She like a bookwago on Buragan. People come now, on a demo was that. Don't allow me to the borrower. Swallow this your dirty business plan. In boss Sharon, in my Facebook, Sharon, in boss confidentially. Say, una board man, see people camera because I will use them against you. I don't lie for you. I'm not a gentleman for that side. See a coded. No Nigeria, why organize at least about 200,000 every week. You could get comfortable. Having a year room 10 naira, they want to be 25,000 naira. To look at the area Njaka, Bang Saga. Go down. So all these people need manager. You don't know they will put you for their house. Very soon get a lack of I don't want to go Sharon. Very soon get a no Sharon get a yekin area for the other. Woman, I hear very soon. You will begin the work for her. They clean her house. Become her maid. You go to call her, hey, Shasha, if I want to day here today. Now, I'm back by the face. I'm one day back. Because I'm about to get a lion. I want to soon I hear the information. I'm going to get for that is your work. Just like play, it don't they go. I said, it don't enter. Then go the Sharon, especially Sharon, don't joke with Sharon. No only have faith they pity you, give you job. Give you job, like she go give you job. But make sure say the thing there confidential with you and how. Tell her say that she don't tell me, oh. Because if you tell me, I go come out and go. I love you, gentleman. I love you, gentleman. I will fire you, idiot. I will.
What Okeke coronavirus? When you told me that you were a giver, I never knew that it's this kind of giver you are. So you get tired, warrior. 87 billion warrior is Jikamayasha. I think usually Timothy and man. You know, men are polygamous in nature. The man is the Chorakaya. Bam is taking the Johnny put job, no, is like every other.
Child.
That is the end. Oh, you want to put on coronavirus, Bulia. That is all, you are the men dangerous. It is called for the deep, he married warrior.
Wow. What I do?
Why are you so wicked? Must you kill a man before you know you done?
Okay.
Maryam Shehu got support here. They make a Yahoo business. Maryam Shehu is not paying his bill to make it in Yahoo business. Only make a Yahoo business, okay, work at Senegal. Nothing to write home about. Eh? Nothing to write home about. All of me Maryam Shehu now support to the game. If I even comment, look at how mess she brought herself into rubbish. And that when they not do with the recharge card, I know you all. All of you.
I'm gonna say drop here and here.
Come send the child behind Aga. I know you guys get you here today. Only with the recharge card, I'm sending you guys back to her. Oh, here. I must continue to preach it. As far as I'm concerned on social media, Maryam Shehu, you will never scam in the Biafra. Or not possible. Do I look like an assume with you? Have I ever come to your platform? Give me $1. Let me go and feed my children. Give me kobo. Because all those ones will tell you say so. You cannot do Biafra and also talking about politics. Or impossible. I'm blocking all those recharge card idiots also. I'm blocking all of them. No. We don't buy people with recharge card money. Another person can buy and another that's to their tune, but that's not what we need. What we need. They are all recharge card fools on your ego. That one is buying you guys to confuse. Oh yeah, or what the EFCC.
Huh? Hey! Namukara, look at Yamama. Hey! Hey! Why be that my boy anymore? Hey! I was thinking, no, ya on what time na yes, EFCC. Hey, Jesus Christ, Ogechi. Ibukuru nwanyị ebo ye. Iburu nwanyị akaricha ye. Hey, no wonder but I just jire ya ewefuzi weke oke. Oh, no kpọrọ nwata na ya eze EFCC. Chai, aka waya de pano cha Chineke na bakpara nwanyị aka ebe. Aka mara sewo de kpocha we dota ha dere. No wonder nwanyị a ji tara ji kpu ya sị mba ya ga-apụ nwa ike. No wonder ji tara ji kpu ya sị agaghị hapụ nwanyị ike. Ụna ahụ na ihe megene maka ụmụ nwoke abụ mmiri ndị a juru n'aka ekpere ma ụna ahụrụ doba ebe unu kwuru. Ụna ahụrụ dị ebubo babada unu bụrụ mmadụ. Unu sonye ahụ o mechie ọnụ na ọsaga ka a na-agba ọnụ ihe ụra na-asọ ikpu nnụnụ ga-agbacha tọnda ba tọnda ihe ọwụla wụ saga ọnwụ ihe ọwụla wụ ihe a na-akpọ saga wee ịkọ ọnụ maka ọnwụ ego ga dipa si na onye dị otu a soro onye dị otu imi ịmakwa ihe ọnwụ si na onye dị otu a kidnapụrụ onye dị otu a ịmakwa ihe ọnwụ ya ha na-esa ga ụmụ efuru efu ide wọta ha ndị a na-enweghị sensị ndị a mụrụ na ime ọhịa ndị Awụsa na-achụ nna ma kpọchara mma ha ime n'ime ọhịa ndị Awụsa na-ajị nna ma ba n'ime ọhịa ha achụkasị ndị nọ n'ime ọhịa onye ha ji ha ghara anya kpụwa ime unu mechikpere ọnụ anya ma amụ na unu mere exist n'ala Igbo otu na-enweghị common sense there is enweghị dị iche ịkọ ọnụ yes ịkọ ọnụ dị iche nke ahụ ebubo ka na-ebo mmadụ a na-ebo ihe mmadụ ebubo na onye dị otu a soro onye dị otu ime na EFCC ka na-eburu onye dị otu a ịmakwa ihe ọnwụ ịmakwara asị mara chekwa aka ha aka nwata na eze ya nwere ike eme ya arrest buru ya gawa for you na na-eboziri ebubo mmadụ ebubo ashị and enweghị na-egbu mmadụ n'ụwa aka na ebe ibu mmadụ ihe onye ahụ na-emerụ ọ na-egbu mmadụ chai Ogechi gara too far oge mere aja this woman gara too far ka gbe nwa eziokwu ugebe Ogechi gara too far. Let us tell ourselves the truth. Enweghị ewu ịkọrọmọnụ dị iche dana ibu mmadụ ebubo mmadụ eburu mmadụ zọ ntị na onye na-enyere mmerụ ejighị ya ama ịkọ ọnụ enwere ike ịkọ ọnụ kịta na meji ego na mtiri eti na wepụ mmadụ ka ha dị iche ka wee kọ ọnụ dana na ebe mmadụ na-ebu onye ahụ ebubo onye ahụ na-emerụ nke ahụ allegation people don't know ụmụ efu ndị mmadụ akpọchara mmadụ ime n'ime ọhịa mmadụ dịka ide water na-enweghị common sense. That's why he ended up with 8 years old woman. Asụ nwere sense ọ gara ịma na agadi nwaanyị wee ebe o ji eche kọm ọnụ maka ọgọdụ no problem amụpụta chi aka ọnụ kọm ọnụ maka pụta nwoke ibe m allegation na mere ihe dị ụta mba no she qualified. She has a right to do it, and nobody should question her. I'm not they never born you, mama self to question Marisha what she doing now. They never born your mama toto. Pay attention. They never born your mama toto. Toto will born you. They never born them to question Marisha why all this. I never see anything. I never see anything. Let me repeat that thing again. Couldn't help it. Because some bingo. Want to go happy.
As in Maryam Shehu got support here. They make Yahoo business. Maryam Shehu is not paying his bill to make it in Yahoo business. Only make Yahoo business, okay, work at Senegal. Nothing to write home about. Nothing to write home about. As if me Maryam Shehu now support to the game. If I ever not comment, nation I have the result. Look at how mess she brought herself into rubbish. On that, when they need not to with the recharge card, I know you all of you. Come send the Chinese behind Naga. I know you guys get you here today. Only now with the church card, I'm sending you guys back to her. Oh, here. I must continue to preach it. As far as I'm concerned on social media, Maryam Shehu, you will never scam in the Biafra. Until impossible. Do I look like an asshole with the church? Have I ever come to your platform? Give me $1. Let me go and feed my children. Give me kobo. Because all those ones kidding will tell you say so. You cannot do Biafra and also talking about politics. Or impossible. I'm blocking all those recharge candidates also. I'm blocking all of them. No. We don't cartoon, but that's not what we need. What I need. They are all recharge card fools when you go. That one is buying you guys to confuse. Oh, yeah, or the EFCC. Turumagu.
The agenda, Nagama. Kuma ki dauko wannan abincin nasu ki ajiye.
Turumagu. Oh, yeah, or that's what I may arrest. Tell it to me about other people. Now I'm going to EFCC. With the private party, with people, she said it, she did not hide it. She made it clear. Problem what I said on Maria Shehu. Let me show you if you don't know who I'm referring to. She is a problem. I'm blocking all those recharge card people. One time, I know Abraham, but today is a fucking day. Well, you don't even come here. Buhari is better than you. I think Buhari 10 times better than you. I will take Buhari 1 million. I will take APC government 20 times better than you. You are a disastrous. You are disastrous. You are a disaster.
Yeah, back, yeah.
Our main problem.
Hey, the grandpa guy is too much. Now, everybody got school here also too much grammar. Disastrous or because what is the meaning of this disaster? School of law said that we are very intelligent too. How can I school at Cambridge? A graduate at Cambridge. Hi, get it. Listen.
One time, I know Abraham, but today is a fucking day. Well, you don't even come here. Buhari is better than you. I take Buhari 10 times better than you.
When I hear them,
I will take Buhari 1 million. I will take APC government 20 times.
Eleke ABC, everybody. Eleke ABC. Nigeria when parties are ABC. Pay attention. She said ABC. I'm on to my MCB. Be I sure I'm on Kado also ABC. Like a force about English, a force about gas school. We have force where gas school. Because we are doing your school or we have force for the first place. Or my other in school. Or my uncle at school. Where you over? Go to school, Okara school if you need to 1 month. See how it does. ABC.
You are a disastrous.
Disastrous.
You are disastrous. You are a disaster. You are our main problem in Igbo land. Because he also Ibehala. You cannot be fooling us. Come on, fuck off, come on, clean your horn.
Now, if you have a political vision, or you want something achievement in politics, or you want to enter any party, or you want to contest for election, why you have that platform where 1% billion against you? Do you think that you are going to win? You're not going to win. She don't destroy you already. She don't destroy you. And that particular time, Manashewa is contesting for senator of Imo State. Oh God, they put this in. Or destroy this woman political career. Now, you think that this is not affecting Manashewa's political career? It's affecting her. That's why she wants to get justice to come out and contest for election. She wants to get justice for all these things. Without it, She will not come out and say, I want to contest this. No. Nobody going to vote for her. Because you can't have a follower of 1.something million. Including Hedota. People can very double mind, no. Na Buhari the more better than her. Na to be her name, be her nala. So Makanda ne. See, if I am my page, you have to learn something. Pay attention. And I'm a saga. I'm too big. Saga. No. Yen na bago ye me reolo. Umeneme. And that's what the jiggy whole get you about the queer. Oh, the record. No. Now she they talk about herself. Now listen.
You are castigating Buhari while you are getting something from Buhari politics. Buhari regime. You are getting something from Buhari regime and you're castigating Buhari. Who are you trying to fool?
You
are saying Buhari did this and Buhari administration. How are you getting paid? What are you getting paid for? In Nigeria, is it not in the same corrupt place?
What I do? Because what I'm hearing today is current to news. Update today is Ebelima is finding a way to make peace with Manashim. That is the update today. Osibrile Ojo wala megene kiron ya fuma social media Ebelima onye social media na adịghị nwere kiwe ebiri. Mana ịdọ n'ime that place gbuo onwe gị ka ọnụ gị eriri ọnụ ga o problem tiri gị na ebe nọ now. Ihe nwere na-ama ha anya ekwule ọwụ onye ọbụla ka ihe ekwu ka ya lafuru ewe ndị na-eji ekpere achọ gị ewe ndị ji Holy Ghost fire kpewere n'isi gị mana chikwa ama ihe zaga Holy Ghost fire ihe nwere ka ya authority. That's what ji gba gị sị ịgbacha ọsọ ị ga-agbarịrị Abuja ahụ ya and then họpụra gị na-eme like that. If you na ịgbachaga gburugburu at the end of the day BP gị na-adị more higher. People don't know what they're going through. All those chihuahua na Facebook na-esusu amaghị na-aga through. If these people can give you a good advice by now you could have getting bail. I'm not sure to take bail again. We go to free. Listen, gari alone with free. We have a boy parolo. Gari free. Jamara kana ebe when some all this criminal property. Look at the day gara ebeji. Let me play that video. The day gara ebeji iji check your hospital. Audio hospital. Ga wo ụlọ ịrụ ndị ashawo. Ụlọ arụ ndị ashawo ịnakọ ndị mmadụ ego ka ịkpọga hospital. They are calling that place a hospital. Look at the way Ogechi no na ahụ. Ogechi bịa na ahụ. You see the way you are not comfortable. Somebody been who property for on our side na ahụ. Ga bịa there egwu no na ahụ. Wait. Can that place where they do that video? When you come out of the honor, you have this ahụ, free, not got on here. Can you say by all from problem to problem? Nah, hey, still if I could have poop. If the poop now, things are not good for you. when they mad for you, and your followers are not helping you. At least your followers won't they like every do but still, more fuel and I don't know their plan against you, whether they like you true or they just want to kill you. Because they're not doing well. Or at least they're supposed they help, they beg on behalf of you. But they know they do that. When I put Koko, when they know nothing can happen, they go America, even the America now. Now most of them say in America already, and they make things not the worst. Those things cannot help you now. All these fake things, fake life cannot help you again. They try your work on. Pastor Hema cannot help you. Give you a problem because when can you pay your money? That one go chop that one an ex-convict he just do it there and clear them because of a makeup also. Look at.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is our clinic hospital project. Like I told you guys, I will come and take a look at it to see whether it's real or fake.
Njaka.
So thank God that I'm here. I'm yesterday night from Abuja.
Yesterday night.
So which my flight again will be catching up by 9 p.m.
Catching up.
I'll be going to Abuja back on 9 p.m. But that's why I use this opportunity to see this. Despite that I'm not feeling too good, you know. But I just want to, at least before I disappear from this country, now I'm making sure that what these people are doing. Now, you can see, I am not happy because I'm here. Very, very unkept. I'm not happy. I was talking to this young man, they had me here. You know, they're making use of this place. At least
this place. Pay attention. They are not here now. They are paying for this place. They are staying. They are not here for free. So stop all this rubbish you are trying to deceive yourself. All the they who are not here now, they are paying you. They are paying you to stay there. They are paying you to stay here. And not here for free.
They should have been keeping it neat. But so far so good. We're almost at the end of this project. Now come on, let me take you around. So where is the light? Okay. So far so good.
What the number?
Trust me, we are almost done. We are almost done. So now come around this place. We are almost done. Trust me. Right? Almost done.
What the number? Who number can? Number cousin.
So far so good. Only you like me and about maternity. So it's not that much anymore. So we are almost complete, right? This place in around where they sleep.
Hello. Happy Sunday.
I wish you some good evening from here.
Yeah, good morning here. You're welcome. Preach on.
I said, my calendar guarantee. So, if I made you opportunity, information or some of our sisters and brothers said, Joka Basara Ogechi. In case, in the Charity birthday party Ogechi, first week of next month, Koje Abuja branch. Makande na de hawe uno share here, so that in the Newi branch and the Ajegunle branch, the awaited information. Secondly, our promotion you know, so Makande na do the them, all the time. Secondly, Ogechi say na ya mazo to shapota abi akwu na ike ụwa agwụla ya. Ọ sị na ya amaghịzi ma ọ ga-aṅụ sniper ka ọ ga-ata ka a na-enye oke dịka tablet. Na ọ maazị ka ọ ga-ata were na-aga n'ike ụwa agwụla ya. So m na-agwa ya na blame niile a na ọ ya mere onwe ya. Na ha dibin mgbe ahụ akpọga ya highest 1 week or 2 weeks ha etowe ya dị ya, ha ga-emere ya piti release ya alawa. But ogeghị ntị ya na-achere ebe ọ ga na-esusu ọnụ na ọtụ free ugbu ma ọtụ ma isusu ọnụ onwe ka o ji n'aka. So ya dimana ya agbala m garịọla m Ken si biko ọrụ n'uru m ya ahụ na Senegal si ya nye n'oge echi gị ọ gawazie that side.
Ken property niile nwe ka o jiri ala Nigeria. Ọrụ everything ma stove ya ma ite o ji esi ọrụ ya gbogbo ọrụ everything gabata. I swear ọrụ everything.
Anyị ga-eblem ya maka Ken ama ọmaara oge echi ga-alọta ụlọ. Ihe ga-eme n'oge Akụ Zion nwere ike inweta some people nọ na Mozambique. So irukwa ebe ahụ gị kesakwara ha ọdụ otu isi ekega. They can harbor you because ị nọ na Nigeria, my sister, ga m atụrụ gị ashị. O nwere nga ha ga-akwụgara gị ụgwọ họteelụ a ike agwụ gị nwezi ebe ị ga-ehi ụra. Ọ gakwara mma ugbu a ha nwetụrụ small ịhụnanya ka fọrọ gị n'aka ka eri ọha akpọje gị ọgụdị Angola ga-esoro Calistus nọ nte ga-esoro ya nọrọ mana ejiwe onwe gị ebe ahụ because of America. Ị ga-azụ okwu ahụ before gị bịa America.
God bless you.
Onwekwa na-ekpe ihuru behind anyị ga-atụpụrụ gị ọnụ. That apology ị ga-apụta openly with ikpere gị na ala rịọ arịrịọ ahụ before you withdraw this case.
God bless you.
Promise ọnwụkwa threat.
God bless you. Preach on. Preach on.
You insulted everybody too much. So the only apology I can accept you coming out with white and black. Say Urunala. Rio Maryam Justice very, very well. Rio Moya. Rio Dia. Then Opa Mirabel. Rio Mirabel. Because in Ogechi Mami been a bit. Petition not punishable 26. 23 no before 3 add here again 26 petition came when initially KB. Where are you gonna start? Njaka get you wigina sobu. You could be normal. Now Nkukoni na hinoni kafulia kelu ele bono. Ukukrutin. When he to I tell Nkukoni ni kuga if travel amo. I tell you when he told in Akoko. A man in no connection, nothing. Even those people say for Shigi Biawa, Ogechi, Jinji Mapopa, Ogechi Laija, Kuyonia Moroji, not Nigeria, here and again. But it is actually go, it is actually go. It is actually go. It is actually go. Ha, it's our community. Ihunonya mroji ka play lowa. Ogechi ngoshi ha chọ ishi Igbo da. Yo ga na social media. Ogechi amahụ na ọ ga-adịrị ya taa. I'm telling you. Ọmahụ na ọ ga-adị like this. Ogechi nọ na hide I know. He na covers, he na-emezi just cover onwe ya. But inside her, that lady is dying. I'm telling you, only just few minutes video. Immediately, they can only go to sign the bam. Yeah, when the videos.
Hey, child.
I'm telling you.
Child.
Yeah. Okay, to remember the first time they track you with your glow number. Don't forget that police have a phone one Njaka. Unless he with the information, they don't be used that phone. If the baby didn't even on danda. they will track your fucking phone. Or when I happen, I could fetch ya darawo. You got to be Njaka surrender.
Can't no matter.
The return ticket in 1 year, 30th of this month.
Yes,
which is 2 days or 3 days today.
Yeah, 3 days.
Yeah. Now, Gaha Gala. Obido be the case here, Bido. Had he been idiot, when a lawyer, that lawyer could have advised her. See, I go and answer the call. I say, Jiggy 1 month, 1 week. People are on your behalf. Am I here? Give me sign here, a calls or whatever.
Exactly. I have as a back consider. I want to have as a back consider. That consider.
And there, also now was in the case. Then you could people more stuff to talk about you. Hello, Mochiwa, getting now. Where are they? Those people have my help. Ogechi, go ahead. Okarisa. Akosa on the chanage. Iguani Nizu could not get to go to go. Sini Fuamo. Ogechi for Ogefuamo.
Why, Buamo?
Lena Moga Hebono. Amoge would dead at arrive.
I'm also
Nothing. Okay, Chichani, Ishiga, video play go. Got the more nishi the Mahono here, no hospital care. Now we need a jar of get a woman shall get just like hotel on the brood. When he did, here now we can watch a let you marshal we can maybe. Had an issue take it off. A brood, a bear on a hatchalet. And when he did, Ogechi. Oh, you believe me, who believe what you're saying. Most of your followers, I mean, 100, believe me, here for Njaka 20, 80 are Ejila here who delege. What an bigger fake life. How again, bigger fake life. We hold here for Njaka. Now, fake life. 20 ahụ nọ gị n'akụkụ ndị imbecile nọ gị n'akụkụ ndị na-ama left and right ha si na eziokwu ga-akụ ha n'anya. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Look at how useless ị kwuru onwe gị. Ogechi enweghị ụdị ahụrụ m kọmentị somebody dere ya ihe ukwu o posiri ihe somebody abịa gwa ya okwu gbasara ihe ahụ gbasara Maryam Justice. Do you know what she said? Onye ahụ na o wepụrụ ya ọnụ gbasara ya na nwanne ya nwaanyị. Ogechi na is now saying na Maryam Justice ozi nwanne ya.
I don't preach her today. I saw the comment. Also, allow me and my sister.
Ozi Igbo Abuja. Igbo Abuja na ọzọ ozi nwanne gị nwaanyị. Idiot. Wish ndị iberibe ahụ nọ gị n'akụkụ ka na-apụta n'egwuru gị ga-ahụ that comment. Hụ that na ike agwụla dibịa ụwa. Ogechi ịhụna n'ihe ka ubiri ọba ịhụnakpọ ọrịa ịhụnakpọ ụwa gị ji laa iyi. You see how you open your nyash. Look at you. Okalesia na is onondanda. Okalesia na is in the rat hole. Nda atụtụrụla gị laa gị n'iyi. The person that hates you most onye achịgị nne lọwa Nigeria ka isetụlụ ihe. Because had it been that person they strong enough, okara iso gị fight ya here to the last. Now onye ahụ ka na-enye back advice run away gbaga ebe a. The name nọ na record for the fact agent report to the American embassy. Yatila ha gị na their system. Any embassy within Africa will reject you and ask you to go back to your country, or better still, they will give a call to the Interpol and they will get you. This is something you don't know. Ya ogene hiji aka ka ọsọrọ onwe gị. Agwagwala nke eleki Mercedes ahụ nye mmanya amara gị ya. Honda mgbaga alaike ma home ya biko nye moto ahụ mmanya amara gị nwanne. Moto ga ahụ mara mma nna. Moto ahụ zuru ka oge ile ka ekpuga every month aga m na-akwụ ya tagaga ayọ na ya kwa ma ị ga-ayọ ọzọ.
Dream gonna.
Ogechi mụrụ onwe gị public assault. You insulted yourself.
Nonsense.
You destroyed yourself. Look at you. Jinjin ebe ọbụla Ogechi nọ ọchịchịrị na-anọdị ya enweghị ihe ọbụla omega Ogechi nọdị ya ihe ahụ aga straight
at all never
ọ na-enwe kọma
never
n'enu ndị niile ya na Ogechi gaga enweghị ihe gara ịnụ n'akụkụ ha gara aga but isi n'aka Ogechi pụọ n'ọrụ onwe gị truthful to yourself na ị pụọla n'aka nwaanyị ka ịhụ ihe
nwa hapụ aka nwa hapụ onye aka
I'm telling you
yes na Ogechi mmụọ ji ya na spirit hola
ishigbo mmụọ the course na ya n'isi dị too much Jinjin ka onye ọ ga-ahụkwa nke ọsọ hapụ ịnọ ya n'isi ịmakwa atrocity this guy na-akọmitela n'ala Igbo anyị ka o dike onye ebe ọgwụ ịmakwa naanị ọnụ abụrụ this girl ịmakwa naanị ndị tụrụ ya n'arụsị ịmakwa ihe ibuchigo Ogechi dị too much ndị enwere ndị gara tụrụ ya n'arụsị enwere ndị chere na dibịa enwere ndị bara na mmiri enweghị ihe a na-emebeghị this girl ha nwere ndị gbara ya ịgba ala onye a is cost from head to toe. Negodi rag also ma ahụ onye shi a almighty America. Negodi rag Ogechi so ma ahụ na-eshi oke so onwe ya. Negodi rag. Lekwanụ na ama. I always use ama as a example. Lekwanụ ama Ogechi nọ na platform ya share ezere ego ji azụ TV. Lady na ama na Nigeria ụnọ hụkwara adreesị na ama kụka. Nkwara video post o jere na ọfịs ya na Port Harcourt. Amara ụdị ya na-adachi perfume. Ọkwawa ama Ogechi si enwe ihe ọwụ. O sendịrị ego, o nyachiri ego ya. You see that ama rijugo afọ. Ama saved a lot of money. O ji alagabiri alọ nna ya. Ngwalikwa na ọkalịsị ya ji naanị $1,000 ela. With hope uru Nigeria ya skamụkwa ndị Igbo anya ọzọ. Onye enwe ihe ọrụ ga. Ego wepụtara n'ụlọ ya shedulekwa enwere almost $10,000 ihe ahụ counterfeit fake money ihe ahụ counterfeit ọ dị very easy ka iru eke jee na people eji ere ya inye ha $1 ha nwere ike enye gị 100,000 one bundle ma inye ha $10 ka azụrụ ya ji ya ad ya asịkwa gị na-emerekwa ka afọ polisi ejide gị ọ ya Ogechi shiga nọ na live program Amaka dọrọ nwoke ile ka ị kwụrụ ahụ pay you eje weta fake note ha bịa were ya gosi Ogechi ole onye na-eme ole onye chọrọ irugbu ndị iberibe ahụ na-ebilivukwa in you ka iruga not ụdị mmadụ anyị ma ihe imega Ogechi where is your group Uzodimma governor Ogechi where is your almighty Ebuka Obi daddy ise oracle Where is your almighty Adanne Hope Uzodimma? These three people alone can talk to Maryam Justice and calm the situation down. But you lying to your fucking self. Now, one day we hate you game and then I got the game exist. Had it been these three people in Purahana Kokoke, Anya Akaman lose case now. But they are everybody Mahana Kokoke. People might him make a game with a video. Send the Arahasi him. Hey, withdraw we have from you. Ị na onwe gị n'iyi onwe debe onye hụrụ vidiyo gị sefọ gasị na-ere gị ebere agasị jide gị were plank kugbuo gị Uncle Justice ị ka na-adị lọ ka e nwere ndị ji moto ha na-ebu gị o nwere mgbe ọ ga-eru ndị a niile enye ga ha gị lọọ na iji ọsọrọ n'alọ irubeghị 1 month mgbe a kpọgharịgara gị dọjigara gị 1 month aga eruo 2 months nothing nna ike agwụwa ha hapụwa gị ka ịgbawa taxi mgbe ahụ those boys ịtụchara chi na ihe niile gị na otu n'ime ha abụọ agbakọ moto Ogechi what will be your fate? What will be your fate? Instead ị ga-agaji ndụ gị mere ihe nọrọ nwayọọ dozie onwe gị legodo otu isi lụọ n'ala nna gị Ogechi ama ga ama na-egbu girls legodo otu isi lụọ n'ala nna gị gị na-adọjarị n'ime moto Ogechi lọrọ Naijiria kpuru mask n'ihu kpuru eyeglass abụ gị na-akọva onwe ya na ijela je gbara isi gị black ka hapụ ịmata gị ijela wepụ gold ahụ ị gbara ka ebilivu na yes ihe ara ahụ chaga ga-agbọwala gị It's a lie. You hate yourself. We know you. changing this game one rotation in a year. Mamma, you have apology, sign of shorty, sign on that again, or guys who again na social media. Ogechi la pone when him Ogechi, Makachukwanya ga monte Ogechi ga bawashi social media.
Yes, now 100% sure.
Yes, Ogechi game maybe everywhere. So that is the reason why she must sign, she must pay for her atrocities before here behind America. If I thought they would let her go there.
Exactly.
Now, age her passport again, age her green Nigerian passport again, the green card again. Now they have your two form. God upon her she police G killing gigi. Amam heji he gigi me. Bring you home to do with you. Ogechi no kwa n'elu ya ga ogide ha police ụwa sha ha zuru goshi ogide ha ụwa sha ha mara ga aka n'ike. Now they are calling you to come with your evidence ebe arụrụ ga aka n'ike na ebe zuru goshi. You are running away. Why are you running? Why don't you go and answer the call? You started the music. They are asking you now to come and finish it. Bịa gbara ha ụkwụ ka ele egege gị na-agbazi ọsọ ịgba ga ebe Ogechi hụziri amụha ọsọ gbalaga ndị polisi bụ amụha ọsọ bịa ha nye gị ya. Behind here, where is you? Okay, you have to come and finish this music. Give play like the music, come and finish it. Okay, look at all of them. Now. In the live video now, they will come but they are jaggy praise. Give me chapa hala bono hasha and shibu bed. Hotel 10 kobo. You come to Nigeria under 3 days, you are begging for money for food. You are begging for money for fish. You are even begging for money. Go pure water because bottled water will be so hard for you to get. I'm telling you. You can make a Samsung phone Njaka, so Tekno or Infinite. Make 20,000-30,000. How Nigeria can Nigeria go to you? Nigeria must happen to you, Ogechi. Nigeria must happen to you. Mumba Hame send the Geko Kijiri. I mean, Geko. Oh, and when more be okay, I will get it. I'm first. I will support you. Stay there. I need to get back. I get one more or surely sharp or got to go so. And when he did Ragaga like it, your joy hooky. Because you destroy so many people, and that destruction will befall you and your family. You will useless idiot, and you will remain useless till you die. Change him continue because
no, I'm not gonna open I'm another one who's comment I answer for the problem. It's the program I'm gonna show Budo. So I'm now so onye man come what happened called Jack and called them and called John. Imana had them it happened man called John. And they told it. That is the end of it. You know what I want. Ogechi, this is the end of you. Because you can't be humble. 100% humble. Because I can be peace with you. Can't have one issue. There will be a peace talk. I don't so you know about saying that we have called so many people, maybe so many embassies in Africa country, back about you. So you can't go anywhere. So the best thing got at the home was this supposed to if I got that in Africa, your passport go to America. Can I hide? The way I hide, the more problem. So, to watch your ball. Can't my life yourself. Okay, I'll get you on life.
I don't fear you. But the video is gonna drop. You want to go? So, Nazi, wherever no capacity no chowaziemu, hapuzienu ya, kakukoti, mini amuneshi. So, actually, I'm respecting no yes, I'm afraid of her. What's Anguno? As far as I'm not afraid of you, you are nobody to me. Yana Dia is the people and the kids I'm apologizing to. Now, let the word blow. See, can I want to go not one a child? Google and up on the child. God, so I all of you. Google on the child. PJ for all of you miserable, useless idiots. Actually, go no, main capacity. Actually, go no, GC tono. Go to move with the mountain. Let me see how powerful and how connected you guys are. You want to go? You want to go? I just remember, man, no. Just the power of engine.
Book on the record that video. Video is very, very important. Record that video. You know, record that video. But the moment to the tear. I may not end it finish because I want to go sleep.
I am going to do that. Yes.
Record that this video. Keep for me. I will run it program tomorrow.
After all, the way page 24/7 on our no. Just that she mistakenly tap into what she knows nothing about. So, my dear, after me video, huh? Yeah, so her contact is strong. Her contact is strong. She get contact where pass contact. Don't be shocked. So Google contact is strong. But I just remove my contact.
Now we are the same thing. We are the same union. You don't get nowhere. Now the same contact.
So do you guys have a problem with that? Contact. Actually, even Nani go promote and pass anybody. Let me talk contact get level. Contact be contact. Yes, of course I did not bow for you. As who can bow, you are nobody. Yes, I can only bow for somebody waiting.
Like I'm saying, I will come back for this. Record that video. Record the video. I'm very interested.
She gets it.
Finally.
Can I bow for you? The answer is hell no.
Finally.
You want to go? Actually, let me tell you, Ashim.
Record. Because I need to be a record.
I don't bow for you. Hell no, you're not body. Can't bow for you, nobody. Oh, yeah, one. Oh, when go. And then I don't buy. You see the video tomorrow, go to land. I go to post them. Oh, when she get them. So, no, just use them. The wall and wall. Make it cool. Make una do na own. I want to see how strong gonna be. Whether she be real one, whether she be no be, now she getting gabase. Why can't you follow us and answer one you buamu? So no answer no one you buamu now. When you buamu so against
the video. You don't wake up. You come out to the letter. Make a switch program. I don't want to go somewhere.
I don't know say she bigger past me. Other people they don't bigger past me.
It's like
I don't learn.
This is my sister.
Not give them a now.
I don't know what
I don't learn. I
you
don't
come back before 4. Started 4.
because I don't follow.
Okay, that's a good.
I go make it. You make what I make. Tomorrow I go make the video and I go post You want to go? I will be the happiest guy. Of course.
Don't worry about
Hey! What did she do? Merit it. What did she not do? Merit it.
Hey!
Everything she merit them.
Hey!
You want to go? You want to go? So, you know.
Hey! I'm happy. I'm a happy man. We get it. We get it. Don't worry, this evening we go shire. We go shire. Hey! Everyone don't bow. Everyone don't bow. Everyone don't bow. Why you from don't bow?
I go do am, don't worry. Na me, na my sister. I go she better use a calm voice. Now you go tell me the voice I go use. I won't believe this.
I why you want to be sure about it?
You go see her.
But are we there for the head? Are we there? Are we there for the head? You go start from once, they talk all this way they talk. You go see, say, anything way you do, don't go walk. That the worst mistake way you go do. To the talk this way they talk now. You go make mistake.
Oh yeah, get the fuck out of here. Come on, Shinga voice. Nobody, there ain't mention.
My you will know.
Come on, get the fuck out of here, please.
5 minutes.
Shinga voice. For mentioning that prostitute. That's that I know baby you who pay as that I shower when no get limits. Come on, get the fuck out of here, Iso. You won't yara. I block your destiny. Nigga talk who be nobody. Come on, Shinga for Iso.
The Hinko.
You do stupid thing.
Bad boy.
And a wonder woman Gane Susu. And I call and they berano you banu azu. Nde you moki you wine. Come on, Shinga for Iso. It talk negi. Block your destiny and fuck off out of this place. Yeah, let them fight their fight and leave the woman alone. Both of you are like to be best friends. Don't worry, she's my sister and she'll be my sister. Yes.
Okay, no, later. Come before for start because settle this one.
Somebody got to be afraid of somebody.
Huh?
You don't get boss where the answer.
In fact, it's okay.
You don't get boss where the yes. As you don't see him now. There's one Njaka now. Oya, ipunegi. Oya, F off. Oya, otilo. Okay, when I say I go chocolize on her. Una no go know the angle where I go use persona. Una never they cry. You will still go and answer. Oya, F off.
You can never go to and do anything without through us. You never know what they talk. Now you go know say Juventus again level. I go pin you. I go pin you.
That you guys are no budget. The only woman standing tall, Maryam Justice. Yeah.
Maryam Justice.
The only woman I'm seeing. Every other person, they are no budget. Don't worry, I'm gonna make video, including the husband, including the case. They are my brothers and sisters. You want to go? Okay, yes, I receive a lot of calls. I receive it. Okay, you are okay, and you are nobody and you're here. Come on,
don't worry, I will call my daddy this morning now. I will call her this morning now. I will call her this morning. You go see what you go solve. You got no fire, baby PCK. You got better Abuja, baby PCK. You have to come to Abuja, baby PCK.
They are no. Okay, please be careful of saga piece. So just be on your own. No.
What you mean, saga piece? That's your back.
Maryam Justice is not a saga person, just that she found herself in the midst of people who prayed here. Congratulations for your courage, of course. On your line, I should give honor to whom honor is due. When they did that, what go that time before getting an organic condy.
Nada. I can't just get the for the palette, I'm a palette. When I record the video, record the Jorabia.
Shake here, Mama, and you go. If you reach her level, shake me. I go not say yes, you deserve it. Yeah. Yeah. You reach here, her level, shake me. I go not say you don't reach. You don't reach. Then go film it.
I forgot that.
You watch a lot of calls, a lot of advice. My mother called me.
Excuse me. Nobody should listen to this criminal. I forgot that I am a spy or Chorela. Only will let me put any peace with where I trust Panashewu now, where I know her now. She can't accept any peace from this criminal. Because on go that time here we go now. She want to do saga peace. You hear about saga peace. Pay attention. I will saga peace. Saga peace don't have this struggle. All I had to get a change here. She could change them. Don't you get a passport? Don't go there. Who's going to give you the passport? I don't back in the year surrender. You got to go. So, because I have to be here. Who record that video? Who record that video? Record that video. Record that video. I have to be here. Hello? I'm on your now. I'm on your.
Jesus.
Ogechi. I'm on your now. I walk.
Oh, we can walk. You know my humble. The man who said, "Chana, you come here and justice." Oh, you with a humble at all. Say that with justice, we know you.
Tiene can be chatting down. Can be call. Because I want to be call now. I'm afraid the next.
We have to call her Owashi. Because Ogechi apology, he'll make an hour only with your cool will be by the
oh, she don't passport. You broke my bone person.
Yes, you know, you're also your Hogan, the honey name and justice because same way home. No, Uriaka, Ogechi,
Because off go now, no way. I'm blocked. I'm here. I said I'm blocked to those all. They closed off all the door. I said I'm all the whole door was closed.
There's no way she can go out.
What's the ball? Go here, come up with you. We're going to pay for the African first. And I lie. Or God get anywhere.
Because Maryam Justice, Interpol, I can get another system.
No, we cannot talk anything about Maryam Justice now. Until my boy and I from we don't want to for the next 2 hours or 3 hours.
Repetition now. I got submit here and attending Interpol.
But Maryam Justice can never betray. See, Maryam Justice is not fighting justice for only herself. She's fighting justice for everybody. So she can never accept anything from the people. She's fighting for everybody. Yes, she's fighting for everybody, not only her. So you want to go?
Okay, Johnny, okay, watch all video you all today, Makagi, right? Gapotazi, Kiji's style, Kena Bataki, Kena Koke La Pagazu, Ogechi, you shiny my game. You're a criminal, we know your game.
Also Kocheba. But I'm about where now more apple today.
Yeah. Do you know what happened? In my air, I got a embassy jet or a hash. Naro Boroya. Nana Yakoya. My phone here, my henine. That had a turn wire back. She know you have issue, go and settle it. You watch every video, Maryam Justice. Why are you lying to the embassy? Why are you lying to your embassy? Why can't you tell the truth? So now, that most for the fact in that in the embassy, it means all the documented a signal to the whole African countries.
You don't have to put on my page here, take it. That's what you be. That day when the back on the back here, I call it time because it time on them with a power in the passport. All police with power in the passport, American passport. If you don't have Interpol when I don't have idea, that's the person I try. Now Interpol don't come my justice husband. The man need to call someone on that embassy, American embassy. Say that woman be another place. Yeah. That is it. But if I am for nothing. That woman is very stupid. All the very stupid. Okay,
Maryam Justice,
I'm also my mother food. My mother supporting machine for food. My mother cook food. My mother called me. My mother called me. Also, let's say, Mr. Piece here come for Payaba Kasanga. How put the woman? Ujara. Children, who record because okay, that you know, who record the home recording. Record the book, because of issue. Record I'm coming out to I'm coming back. Come back on. I need to call. Come back on. Buko unu record there Perima. Buko unu record Doramia. I'm coming back.
Good man, because they wanted me to do this. No. I made it on social media. I put it up on there. Of course, she's my sister. Why not? Is it not a good thing? Peace. No, peace.
Ah.
Peace. We shall possess.
Oh, everybody peace.
Yes. Oh, this one goes chocolize. You see, people are still sleeping though. As long as I don't come out. You see, it's very late, but people are still waiting.
If we talk about double
We love her. Don't worry, all praise and scatter you.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thoughts on the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless you.